Understanding the market you're operating in and your competition is crucial for the success of your business. In this video, we are sharing how to research and analyze your business, industry, and competition. First, where do you start? It's important to research and understand the industry you're operating in. This includes understanding the key players, trends, and challenges in your industry. Some questions to consider might include: who are the major players in your industry? What products or services do they offer? What are the trends and challenges in your industry? What are the key drivers of demand for your products or services? To research your industry, you can use a variety of sources such as industry reports, trade publications, and online resources. It's also a good idea to speak with industry experts and seek out industry associations or trade groups that can provide valuable insights. Once you have a good understanding of your industry, it's important to analyze your competition. This includes understanding who your competitors are, what they offer, and how they position themselves in the market. You need to ask 4 major questions to understand your competitors. 1. Who are your major competitors? 2. What are their strengths and weaknesses? 3. How do they position themselves in the market? And 4. What are their pricing strategies? To analyze your competition, you can use a variety of sources such as their websites, social media profiles, and online reviews. It's also a good idea to speak with customers and industry experts to get better understanding of your competition. Once you have a good understanding of your industry and competition, you can use this information to position your business in the market and differentiate yourself from your competitors. This can help you attract and retain customers and ultimately drive the success of your business. It's also important to regularly review and assess your competitive position. This can help you identify any weaknesses or areas for improvement and develop strategies to address them. Some questions to consider when conducting a competitive assessment might include: how does your product or service compare to those of your competitors in terms of quality, price, and features? What are your competitive advantages and how can you leverage them to stand out in the market? What are your competitive disadvantages and how can you address them? Another important aspect of researching and analyzing your industry and competition is understanding your target customers and their needs. This includes understanding what they're looking for in a product or service and how your business can meet those needs better than your competitors. To better understand your target customers, it's a good idea to conduct market research. This can include methods such as surveys, focus groups, and customer interviews. This data can help you understand your customers' needs, preferences, and behavior, and use that information to develop marketing and sales strategies that appeal to them.